the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we've learned. As we work towards one solution through spirit evolution. I am the one, I am the one. Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon, together the battles are won. Digimon, through us let your spirit evolve. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for one world,
those who live in the digital world, allow me to introduce myself. I am the master designer himself, the one who's on a mission to recreate every organism that exists on this entire continent. Tonight we're going to draw Bokomon and Neemon from Digimon Frontier. Two of the first characters and Digimon revealed on the series.
look to the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we learned. As we work towards one solution through a spirit evolution. I am the one, I am the one. Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon, together
One is the keeper of the book, and the other is the keeper of his pets.
through us let your spirit evolve. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. Digimon.
And finished. And finished. That's how you draw Bokomon and Neemon. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for more characters like this. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.